It's that moment of truth. We have a winner. I believe when I last looked, he had 55 likes on his comment. And the winning comment was, Saw Wars, may the whole Forma be with you. Yeah, that's pretty good. I had to admit, that was pretty good. And he got 55 likes. So Anthony, I'm believing it's pronounced Henian. By all means, drop me an email, get me your information, so I can ship this guy, minus the bar, off to you. And then do by all means keep in touch with me and tell me what you think of it. Alright? But that's it, guys. I'm not going to do any cutting or anything special in this video. I do have more videos planned. And I just posted a walkabout of the property, so if you haven't seen that, go back and look at it. If you'd like to see the update on the pond and the chickens and the tiny house and stuff, there's more tiny house videos coming up. I'm going to be doing some more chainsaw carving videos. And I got a pile of logs I need to cut up on the mill because I've used up most of my lumber in the tiny house. So I'll probably be doing some more milling videos too as well. So yeah, but Anthony, send me an email, give me an address. Let's get this sucker shipped off to you. Thanks for participating. Thanks for everybody that subscribed and left comments. Some of them were really cracking me up. You guys are awesome. And we'll see what we come up with at 30,000. Let's go.